Okay, hello everybody. So today we are going to learn how to do a caterpillar. Okay, it's a craft activity. So we're going to need circles, okay, of two different colors, four each, okay, and two strips like this, and we need two eyes for the caterpillar. All right, so let's begin. And of course, you need Fevicol. So let's begin. We are going to fold all of these squares into half, okay, like this, semicircles, except for one which I'm going to keep separately. We're not going to fold that. So I'm going to fold all of these circles, okay, into semicircles like this. Alright, see, we've already done one activity with these semicircles. So I'm just going to fold it. Okay, keep one separate, which is going to be the face of the caterpillar. Alright, okay, so now I see I have around 4 of purple and 3 of yellow. Okay, so let's begin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one purple, one yellow in the other hand. I'm going to slightly put it inside like this and I'm going to stick it. Okay, so I'm going to apply Fevicol on this part in the corner, just a little bit on both the sides. Okay, so here and a little bit here. Okay, so I've added Fevicol on both the sides. I'm going to take this, open it and paste this inside like this. Like this. Okay, yes. Now I'm going to use alternate colors. So I'm going to put purple now. Again I'm using Fevicol on the corners of both the sides. Okay, okay, put it inside like this and press. Okay, so you have 3 now. Okay, just keep it like this, standing. I'm going to take yellow now. So I have taken around 4 each. You may take more if you want to make a bigger caterpillar. So I'm again sticking it inside this particular semicircle. Press it firmly and then keep it on the ground. Now purple turn. Okay. Okay. So our caterpillar is looking nice. Yes. Now the last 2, and then we will put on our face of the caterpillar. Okay. Stick it inside like this. Okay, caterpillar is getting longer, and the last one now. Okay, great, this is done. So we have a nice long caterpillar. Okay, looks like this from the sides. Yes. Now where this portion ends, okay, near the purple, see to it that you have a contrast color, and we are going to just stick it on top like this. Okay, so on this particular semicircle I'm going to stick the head of the caterpillar. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of Fevicol here to put on our face. There you go. That is the face of the caterpillar. Okay, let's add the 2 antennas to the caterpillar like this. It will go like this. So I am going to apply Fevicol here and stick it on one side. Okay, And the second one, it's pretty easy, right? You just need to cut the circles properly or get it done from your parents. The rest of the things, the folding and the pasting, can be done by you, right? It's pretty easy. Okay, so this is done. Now what is left? Your eyes. So let's stick the eyes. Okay. So there are the eyes of the caterpillar. Now let's draw. I think this circle is slightly smaller. I'm sorry, it just needs to be perfect. So okay, alright, now that's better. And we have to make the smiling face. So there you go. The smiling caterpillar is ready. Did you like the caterpillar? I'm sure you all did, because I like the caterpillar. It's nice and it stands on the table. I'm going to show it to you. Just give me 1 second. This is your caterpillar when you lay it on the ground, and I will send you a picture of how it looks like when you make it stand up. Alright? Good.